So welcome to my YouTube channel and another video for you all. And yeah, in this video I will show you guys how to get started with trading Solana meme coins, as a lot of money is to be made. A lot of people are making crazy amount of money out here daily just from this platform over here. They're making $100,000, $200,000, $20,000. Like they're making crazy amount of money. And yeah, if you're trying to get started, you don't know how it works, where to start trading, what tools you need, don't worry, I got you. This video is for you. So yeah, first of all, you're gonna need some tools. So the most important tool is gonna be Axiom, a trading platform where you can just place your trades, buy and sell, basically. So yeah, for that, you're gonna be using Axiom. As you guys can see over here, I have it over here. So that's tool number one, a platform where you can buy and sell this meme coin. So I'm using Axiom. Of course, there's other platforms also, such as like Bullx, Photon, and many other. But Axiom is the best, and you get rewards too. So like the more you trade, the more fees you're gonna get back, and yeah, the fees are super low on this. And then the next tool you need is Phantom Wallet. Why I think you need Phantom Wallet? You're not gonna be trading on it. You just need a wallet on this. Because why? Phantom is super secure. You can make a wallet like over here. You can just like create a wallet on this Axiom platform also, or maybe trading bar or anywhere. But trust me, Phantom is the one that is super safe. So what you're gonna do, download Phantom, make an account over there, and then what you have to do is just make two wallets. Now, this is important. One, you're gonna have for your trading wallet. Let me just show you guys my Phantom wallet that I have. Um, so this is my Phantom wallet, as you guys can see, TradeWiz wallet, just the trading bot I'm using that I'm trading. So yeah, you're gonna make two wallet, one for trading and then one for your secure funds. So after you trade every single day or done trading, you're gonna move your money from your trading wallet to another wallet. Just be safe, because a lot of people, their wallet gets drained, and yeah, you kind of maybe show your seed phrase or anything, private key, stuff like that. So just be safe, make two wallets, and never keep your money on your trading wallet, because you're connecting it to like websites and all that. So yeah, now that you have created two wallets, you need to deposit some money. You can buy Solana directly over here, but you can also buy like on Coinbase and just send it over here. You just have to click on Solana, and then you just click on receive and copy this wallet address over here, and then just send the money to this wallet address. And yeah, so now Phantom out of the way. Then it's gonna be Dex Screener. A lot of you guys might be using Dex Screener for trading Solana meme coins, or just come here, find some good meme coins to invest into. Trust me, if you're using Dex Screener, then you are already losing money. Why? Because you are already too late, bro. You can't come here and be on like 1 hour time frame or 6 hour time frame, because then most of these coins you guys can see is like at 8 million, 200k, like super high market cap, and you're not gonna make that much money. So avoid using dex screener at all cost. And I know a lot of people are making bunch of videos, best dex screener filter for finding the next 100x meme coin and stuff like that. Not important. You don't care about that. Why? Because, bro, you need to catch meme coins below 30k, 20k, 5k market cap to be able to make the 100, 200x, to make a lot of money. And how you do that is not on the Screener, it's on Axiom over here. So yeah, the Screener out of the way. And then let me show you guys the quality scan to just show you guys how crazy it is, how much money is being made from meme coins, like monthly, daily. So this is quality scan, a website that you can see top traders. As you guys can see over here on monthly PNL, you guys can see DV has made like 3,000 sold. That's $500,000. You know how crazy that is, bro? A lot of people 9 to 5, they make this amount of money in maybe 5 years, and he's just making it in a month by sitting and trading Solana meme coin, which is crazy, to be honest with you guys. And then you guys can see this guy over here, almost the same amount. And then if you go on weekly, bro, he made $126,000. So this is another guy, but DV is like down here. So yeah, you guys can see that a lot of money is being made. Like, just look at the daily. These guys over here made like $20,000 just today. Then we have 14, 12, 12, 10, 10. Like, bro, they are making crazy amount of money with Solana meme coins. So, yeah, as you guys can see, money can be made. Meme coins are not dead. People are making crazy amount of money. So if you are in the right place, in the right space, you know how to do it, you can make money too. So yeah, now that is out of the way, there's two important tool, Axiom and Phantom Wallet. So once you have your Phantom Wallet, you can just come on here account and then you go like manage wallets over here on Axiom and then you just have to click import wallet. So you just import your wallet over here and yeah, private key, you put your private key and import your wallet on Axiom over here and then you can start trading with that money. So now let's go through Axiom. So Axiom is a trading platform where you can buy and sell meme coins super early. As you guys can see, a lot of coins are making made pump fund coins over here. You guys can see they are already coming out of 4K, 5K market cap. So new pairs is too risky. So if you're just getting started, I wouldn't recommend to start with new pairs because new pairs is too risky. 90% of the coins that's coming out over here is a scam. They're not gonna run. So yeah, stay away from new pairs, or there is good filters for that too. I could show you guys also. But you will be usually over here on final stretch and then memecoin. Okay, this is two places you wanna be because this is where you will make a lot of money. So like maybe this coin over here, you click on it. Okay, you see the chart goes up. Don't just go and keep buying, bro. Like just place buy button, just it's super low market cap. I know this is gonna go to 100 million. It's not gonna go to 100 million. There has to be community behind a meme coin. The meme should be viral. People should be buying it. Otherwise, the coin is just gonna die. So yeah, first of all, let's get into filters or not filters. So let's go to something else that's super important when it comes to trading Solana meme coins, and that's gonna be wallet tracking. So as you guys can see on wallet trade, like wallet tracker over here, wallet manager, if you go on tracker, which is super good. It's free. You can add as many wallets as you want, like these big wallets. As you guys can see, I have some crazy wallets over here. Good wallet 22. So when I say good wallet, I'm just marking out. So this guy made like 37K, and then we have this Marcel wallet I'm tracking, and he has made like 300K. Like you see, why wallet tracking is important? You kind of see what coins they're buying and selling. Like, look, maybe Casino just bought like this coin over here. I can just click it over here and see like, okay, why did he buy this coin? Don't copy trade. If you copy trade, you will lose. You kind of just see what coins they're buying and selling. Sometimes you can catch pretty good coins, that way. Yeah, so if you want all of these wallets, I have them on my Discord server. If you want to join in. You would get CT tracker also, which is super important. Um, so yeah, if you want all of these wallets, we have Cupsy, Casino, Orangie, Insider, like all of the coins, all of the wallets that you need. Lanes, Raid, Monkey, everyone, bro. I have everyone's wallet over here. So yeah, if you want them, don't forget to join my Discord server. So and another important tool that is super important, that is wallet CT tracker. So you guys can see this is my CT tracker that I have. So most of the coins, meme coins that they run, so you can make good amount of money if you have CT tracker, but you can still make money without CT tracker. But CT tracker is super important. Why? Because let's say that there is an animal that has been like killed by let's say United States, the government. You see tweet over here, then the coins will be made over here. So you're kind of like the first one to know about that. You kind of get super early entry, maybe like 5K, 7K, then yeah, you can make hella money because those coins run. Or you see like Elon Musk tweet over here. So you're like in the first second you see Elon tweet, he maybe tweets a picture. Those coins usually, like you will see coins being made with that picture, and they usually run to like 1,500K. So yeah, CT tracker is also super important if you're just getting started with trading Solana meme coins. It's not a must, but you can make a lot of money with CT tracker. And yeah, if you want mine, join my Discord server. And we don't have only CT tracker. There's a lot of other stuff too, and you can also trade with me where I will be trenching also. So yeah, CT tracker, wallet tracking, super important if you're just getting started. So yeah, other than that, there is not much more to talk about, so let's go to filters. So yeah, if you are getting started with you're just getting started, you're completely beginner, I wouldn't recommend new pairs, but these are my filters for new pairs on Axiom, as you guys can see over here. So I don't have any kind of filter, I kind of want to see everything, but I would recommend you put like a minimum market cap of like 10,000 to just filter out a lot of the crazy coins that coming out, trash coins, and most of them is a scam. And then you just have to put like pump fund over here. And now these are, if you want to see radium coins, you just click on radium or moonshot coins. Um, but I'm personally sticking with pump fund and pump fund AMM. So yeah, CANs with pump fund also is super good. But yeah, other than that, I don't have any kind of filter, but I would recommend to have 1K market cap, 10K market cap minimum, and then liquidity 1,000 if you're just getting started and you want to try out new pairs. But other than that, I don't have any kind of filter. But if you're a completely beginner, I would recommend that you stay away from that. So yeah, over here on final stretch is where a lot of money can be made, trust me. As I usually trade final stretch and migrated, but I kind of try new pairs too also a lot. But no crazy filter. I have insider holding of 40% and then CAMs with pump fund and then edge minimum a max age of 25 minutes. And then if you go over here, liquidity $1,000 and then market cap of $15,000. Other than that, I don't have any kind of filters. But XM is super good. You can add keywords and words, all that, which I don't like. And then you have pump fund too. So if you go on migrated, I have a market cap of 20,000. And other than that, I don't have anything, just like age 30 minute, and then have 40% insider holding. Why do I have age 30 minute? Because if it's past 30 minutes, the coin might be already dying, and yeah, that might be maybe too late. More, the coin is already maybe at 500k or maybe higher than that. So yeah, so let's click on the chart over here, and so as you guys can see, this coin is already pumping. I can see kind of casino is already buying. So if you're tracking wallets, but you kind of don't see it on your chart over here like this, you just have to click on display over here, and then you have to click on track trades, and then you will see when they are buying and when they are selling. And also down here you can see the holders. It's super important you understand the holders. So you guys can see holders pretty good on this. We don't have someone holding 10%, 20%. So if you see someone holds like 10%, 20%, then stay away from that coin, because if that percent decides to sell, then you're cooked. And yeah, you guys can see top traders also over here, and then dev token. Um, also, but yeah, top trader. This guy made 6 SOL. He's still holding like 5 SOL, and yeah. So and yeah, and if you want these instant trade over here, the panel, instant trade panel, we just have to click on this instant trade over here, and then it shows up over there. And also if you want this trades panel over here that shows who's buying and selling, you just have to click on trade panel over here, and then it's just gonna pop up over there, and then you guys can see who's buying and selling. And yeah, these are my fees. I know a lot of you guys will be asking what is your fees and slippage and all that. So these are my fees. So as you guys can see, let's go on preset. So I don't use any other preset, just preset 3. So 40% slippage, 0.005 priority fee, and then 0.5 bribe fee, and the same on sale. So a lot of you guys might be wondering, it's super low amount. Does that work? Yeah, for me it works super good because I have been trading for a while and my fees are super low. But yeah, for me it works and I get good feels with this. And yeah, if you want better feels, faster feels, maybe make the fees a bit higher, but these are mine and it works pretty good. So other than that, over here you can see your P&L. So if you buy into coin, you will be able to see your P&L, and then you guys can see over here top holder 20%, that's good. 30% top 10 holder is also good, but depends on if 1% holds like maybe 20%, that's not good either. And then you guys can see insider, bundlers, and all that. To be honest, this is not accurate most of the time, as it says dev is holding 0%, but there might see still dev holding a lot of the supply, but it says like default 0%. It's just good to check the holders and everything um, yourself down here, and then you guys can see like it says that there is like 6% insider. True, we do have some insider wallet, like these are bundler, uh, yeah, and Dex is unpaid. So if Dex is paid, Dex costs like $300. If Dex is paid, that means they're gonna push the coin. And yeah, before you buy into a coin, you say dead internet theory. You just click on the X account. Also, kind of check what the meme is about. Is it viral? You guys can see this has 2.8 million views, and you guys can go through like breaking news. The university has been using AI bots manipulate Redditor since November 2024, and yeah, okay, super viral. You see people talking about it, then those coin usually runs. And as you guys can see, Casino keeps buying this coin, and I'm not gonna get into it. But yeah, so I think basically we covered everything that was needed. And if you want this PNL card over here, just click on PNL card over here. And if you want to move your wallet tracker, you can just like click on wallet tracker, and then it just move it around and put it wherever you want it to have. And other than that, super easy. Now you know how to get started trading Solana meme coins. I would say first, give it a try. Don't put money. What you have to do, you could do is just like come over here, maybe click, okay, this coin, what this is, do research and be like, yeah, this is a good coin. Maybe I will buy out over here. You just mark it out. You don't put money. You kind of like seeing how it works and say, okay, if I bought over here, okay, now I would have lost money and now I'm gonna get out of the coin. You just mark it out and then see how it played out, because that's what I did and I would recommend that you do the same. Other than that, you just always check what the meme is about. Just don't gamble. And again, yeah, if there's like also for the day, there's gonna be narrative meta. If you see a coin that has already maybe the coin is sitting over here, maybe like inflation coin. You see another coin over here, maybe currency coin at 2 million. Know that inflation coin could run. Why? Because we have the same meta narrative that already ran. People will get into that. And yeah, now you know how to get started with trading Solana meme coin. And again, don't use Phantom Wallet for trading and don't use the Expander because you will be already too late and you will be used as a exit liquidity. And again, if you have any kind of question, let me know in the comments and I will make sure to answer. Probably there's not going to be any kind of crazy edits on this video because I love to keep my videos like raw, where I kind of explain everything, no edits, no cuts, nothing like that.